Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to recover your Snapchat streak for free. For example, if you have a streak with your friend and recently you have lost that streak with one of your Snapchat friends. Now if you are going for recovery and they are asking money for that recovery, then I will tell you how you can uh, get that streak back without paying money. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Snapchat, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and here you have to simply click on Snapchat plus subscription, and here you can see the options of Snapchat plus subscription, and here one of the option is snapstreak restore. So which means if you simply subscribe to Snapchat plus subscription, then you can get the snap streak restore without any paying any money, which means you can simply get your lost streak free restore without paying money. So for this, you have to what you have to do, you have to simply subscribe to Snapchat plus subscription, which is as available. But if you do not have that money and if you want to use it for free, then you can simply go for the free trial, which means you have to click on start free trial and you have to recover your Snapchat streak, and after that you can simply turn off that Snapchat plus subscription, because you have already recovered your lost streak by simply using Snapchat plus subscription. After that, you can easily enjoy Snapchat streak. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.